welcome to CMC Restaurant. You have made reservation before?
Yes, I have a reservation.
May I know your name?
Yes, my name is Pat Ibans Amagita.
Let me check your reservation. Okay sir, a table of one smoking area, another table is near at window. It is correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Follow me sir and let me show your table. Mr. Patricio, this is your table. Please sit, sir.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Is the table is comfortable enough for you, sir?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, sir. I will back to get the menu immediately.